Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by isolating the signal path so you know where the echo originates. First, switch to headphones and disable speakers. This prevents feedback loops. Next, open your recording or conferencing app and make a short test call while observing input/output meters. Once done, check whether the echo appears in the recording or only in live playback. This tells you if the echo is acoustic, software, or routing related. Make sure to note the scenario so you can target the right fix next. Now you address the common software causes. Open your OS and app audio settings and turn off any loopback or listen to device features that feed mic audio back into the output. Then ensure the app uses only one output device to avoid duplicate streams. Tweak gain and enable noise suppression or automatic gain control to reduce sensitivity that exaggerates echo. Once these changes are applied, perform another test. If the echo persists, you'll move on to driver and hardware. Finish by verifying drivers and hardware because persistent echo often stems from outdated firmware or faulty routing. Update or reinstall audio drivers and any audio interface firmware, then test with different cables and ports. If using a mixer, bypass it by connecting the mic directly. Once done, try a different mic or interface to isolate the faulty component. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: record raw input locally and listen closely. This reveals whether the echo is introduced before software processing or during playback, so you can target the fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.